Hey everybody, we're here with Tim Anderson at Racepak to talk about some absolutely amazing new awards they got and some cool new products that are going to be perfect for our pro touring hobby here pretty soon. So Tim, what did you win? These look like some pretty serious iron back here.
They are. They're actually really heavy, and I didn't know that till he handed it to us on stage. I'm like, oh, this is like really heavy. Cool. Best engineered new product of the show, best engineered performance racing product of the show.
And?
It is for, right now, what we're calling the Vantage CL1 karting system. Don't be fooled by that. It's actually a road racing system, but for right now, it's for karts. It'll find its way into autocross, road racing, and junior dragsters. By the time we get to the PRI show in December, you should see the versions of that there. The app will be a little bit different, but the way this works is way different than standard data system. So you normally will have a data box and a memory card, or you download by a cable that you plug in your PC. What we've done is taken, hopefully, light year steps away from doing that by moving everything to the cloud. But the challenge is when you move data to the cloud is how do you get it there efficiently? There's a couple of ways to do it. You build a box that interfaces with a data recorder that has a SIM card and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and all that. That becomes very messy because of the SIM card and how you have to purchase services and all the stuff that goes with that. Or you can use what everybody has in their pocket already.
Oh yeah, those are awesome. I mean, everybody's got one, so it's a great interface.
And it honestly has better memory and better screen resolution than anything we build.
Yeah.
And
you're familiar with it, and it's always with you.
The touch and the pinch and the swipe and all that. So what you have now is a data box as opposed to a data recorder, and the data box has sensor inputs, has Bluetooth, has 20 hertz GPS, uses Bluetooth to connect to a mobile device running the D3 app. The D3 app turns the mobile device into instrumentation for the driver, lap time, lap number, predictive lap time if you're going in circles, a real-time dash when you're in the pits, and it also functions to get the data to the cloud. So you buy the box. Perfect. You register the box online, you set up your team for $10 a month, you get all your data dumped to the cloud, and from that point you can either look at data real time when it's actually on the track, or you can look at it after the point, and you're using mobile devices, so you touch, swipe, pinch, and all that, and you can see on the
You can see.
It's kind of hard to shoot this, but there's your standard. This is how you zoom, this is how you look at data, this is how you add laps. You can blow it out to what we call a 3D map. Looking at data like that, you touch it.
Yeah, you can watch your laps,
Yep.
compare them.
Yep. Overlay, just like normal data, but like I said, the main thing what you find is this is a really easy way to learn to use this. You got to train it. There's your data channels, turn off and on. Turn it on, you change colors.
You can see engine data, chassis data.
Yep. Anything you want.
Pretty much anything you can think of to stream to it.
That's it.
Now, since it's streaming and cloud-based, can you share this with other people?
When you register the box, if you want, like your engine tuner or your chassis guy or whatever, like
your wife at home who's worried about you,
your wife, your kids or whatever, you set up an account, you register the box, and you'll set the account up for yourself. You'll name the team, and then everyone you want to look at your data, you'll just enter their email. They get an auto-generated reply back with a security code. So when this thing goes on the track, it kicks out a notification on your phone, like any notification, that says so-and-so's on the track, and they know to open up the app at that time and look at your data.
Oh.
It's all automated. Everything on here is automated.
It's all going to connect together. Everything's going to talk to each other.
Yep.
This is very cool, and it's going to come to market here real quick. I mean,
yeah, the karting version is actually on the market right now. The junior version we're testing. It'll be ready by November, and then like I said, the main thing for the autocross and the track day guys, we need to get the OBD2 up and going, and that goes through the CAN input. So the goal is to have that testing and working by the PRI show, and then we'll release everything.
That's totally awesome.
Year. It's a way different way of doing it, and we know that, and we think people will adjust to doing it like this in the future.
It's the future. It's the future. Very cool, man. Congratulations on the awards. Can't wait to see this thing hit the market, and everybody gets to enjoy it. Thanks for your time, man.
Thank you.